How pretty are these purple cat eye gel nails, especially for Halloween season? These are the only polishes you're going to need for this, and this is the D&D Plum Passion. And then the cat eye gel is Meet Across. I got it off of Amazon, and the shade is in 61. All right, so starting off with the D&D, we are going to do thin coats. We're going to do 2 coats here. You guys know I love my D&D. The abundance of shades, very easy to work with polishes, and affordable. And the nails themselves are gel full cover tips from enailcouture.com. Love that. I love me some exclusive nail couture. All right, so once I got that first coat laid down, I'm going ahead and cure for about a minute. All right, we're going in for that second coat. Of course, we want to keep these coats very, very thin just because we're going in with the cat eye gels and top coat. But you definitely need the second coat. I love the dark plumness of this. All right, going into the star of the show, here's the cat eye gel. It kind of has like that copper champagne color to it, but it didn't really translate that copper as I wanted on the nail. Kind of look more silver. So I'm only doing 1 coat of this cat eye, so I do want to make sure it's not too thin. I have no idea where any of my magnets have gone, so my husband was nice enough to give me this straight out of his toolbox, and you know what? It worked like a charm. So I'm just going around the whole nail. We want to kind of get all those little glitter particles in the center. That's how you get that beautiful, like, full cat eye effect, if you will. So I just kind of keep going around until I'm happy. And of course, you want to cure 1 finger at a time so you do not lose that design. I'm just thinking about all the possibilities with all the different colors you could do with this. Of course, for fall and Halloween, screams purple. That's why I chose this purple. I love the plums for fall time. But really, just imagine this with any color you could think of. Okay, so I ended up top coating it, and I just wasn't feeling how silver the cat eye looked. So I'm taking some base gel, and then we're also taking the D&D Plum Passion and just the littlest bit so that we get a very sheer, transparent berry color. And I'm just going to top the nails with this color. So yeah, I went ahead and I had buffed off the top coat just because, again, I just wasn't feeling it. I'm going to show you a clip here really quick. But this definitely, for me, sealed the deal. I'm really glad I did this because you could really see that beautiful shade of plum. And here, I just want to show you a comparison of the finished nail versus the one that had the silver. Obviously, if you like that silver, keep that silver. Not me. I just like it better with the purple. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of these nails. And then we're going to top coat. And that's it. When I tell you I love the way these came out, especially purple's my favorite color. And this shade of purple just does something to me. Like, honestly, I love these. I can't wait to try it with other colors. Going into wintertime, we can get into the greens and the blues and the red. But I love this.